Yeah, hi, my name's Paul Temos from Deanmill Design and Construction. We're a small company specialising in all aspects of carpentry work. That's framework, lock-ups, fixings, pergolas and so forth. We've been around for 20 years. We've just been using a new product which is the Pacer framing gun, gas framing gun. I actually find it quite a good gun as you hear it now going. Very good product. It's got power, the battery life's excellent. Right, we're on the job site here. We're preparing the house for lock-up. Nick's preparing the ceiling for the plaster. Trim it out the trusses. We've got the Pacer here. We've basically purchased the Pacer. Really, it's great value. Definitely a good product. We've tested it out for about 5 weeks and there hasn't been any flaws in regards to the product. So in my eyes, if the product's reliable, that's the way to go, really. Haven't had any issues in regards to it. Battery life's exceptional and a very good product, I have to say. Price-wise, very good value.